We're at San Carlos. Been here about an hour or two. Haven't had much action. Bones has been complaining up a storm, and he just scored. Just switched to something. What do you got on, Bones?
It's a jig.
A jig?
Yeah.
Nice.
Boy, he's got it in the top.
We broke the ice.
Go, buddy.
Bones got a fish. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. He can get it in any time he wants right now. Do you need my help, Bones?
No.
Do you need me to...
No, but I'm going to lose it, man.
Ain't gonna...
Oh, you bastard. I knew it. I never got the hook set on him, man. That was a 3. That's a good fish right there, man. I'm telling you. That's a good one.
Get him in. Don't wait for me. Get him in.
Not ready to come in.
He's ready. I'm ready. You're ready.
He ain't ready.
It's a nice fish, man.
That's just like that one. Oh, he's jumping up. I got a fresh hook that time.
Show him this way.
Yeah, that one went all the way through his lip. Oh, 2 3/4. That other one was a little bit my butt. Maybe a 2.5. Easy, boy, easy, easy. Right there. Oh, in the bottom of the mouth.
Be careful, nice fish, Bones. Oh, he looks like
he's
Turn it this way.
just a 2 1/4
Turn it this way,
fat.
bro.
I really can't. I'm sorry to say that, man, but
Just caught this fish. It's a nice one on this right here.
that's Bones' special.
Bones is special.
And
Look
he
down his
ate
mouth.
it, didn't he? God, I lost the jig head that I was tying on for you. Because I
All
had
right,
to drop
fish, I
all
gotta
my
let
stuff
you go.
to pull.
I've got to let
land
you
your
go.
fish for you. It ain't fair, is it? Where was it, Dave?
It was right there off of that.
Can anybody stop this man? I don't think so.
He swallowed that jig.
They say the man invented jig fishing.
Uno mas fish. Pretty nice fish.
Beautiful fish, man.
Pretty.
Beautiful San Carlos bass.
He
Fat,
fought
healthy,
nice.
sassy, strong.
Don't say
I'm
that.
sorry, dude. I'm sorry.
All right, we got a double. We got a double. You can't stop them.
They're back on their track. They wasted 2 hours on a break. These fish are so lively. Amazing.
It's a nice fish.
Amazing. Identical twins.
Twins. Now
Look,
yours
he's
is a
got
little bigger.
broken tail, man, on this.
Thank you very much.
That's 4, maybe a little more, man.
That's a nice fish.
Yes, it is.
That is.
It's not as fat as, compared to the other ones.
I'll take them every day. That is a nice fish.
Look at him. He's just digging, man. Just on this point.
We're okay.
He's a 2-pound fish, man. He's fighting like a smallmouth. Like a smallmouth. Where that claw's completely gone.
Nice. That's him, bro.
1.5 pounds. I don't know that I've ever seen a 1.5 pounds.
We're at San Carlos, just got off the lake. We should have probably stayed out here longer, but we were just too tired. You tired?
Let me check. I'm tired.
What'd you think of today's fishing? Little report.
I got, I'm always honored and thrilled to get to fish with one of the best. Dave Garrick. You can't stop him. Don't even try. You're wasting your time. Throw anything at him. Anything. He'll figure it out. You want crappie? He can catch him. You want bass? He can catch him. How big do you want him? The man knows all the tricks.
Thank you very much.
No, thanks. Thanks for letting me just watch, man. Fantastic day, man. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you.